How to turn on the reverb mode. So everyone will get confused pressing on this one, but you didn't get that reverb mode. You got this Grenaro S13 Pro wireless microphone and you open that box and you see there is only one button. If you are confusing how to use this one single button and shift between that 3-level noise cancellation and reverb mode, and this video is for you. Don't miss that video. I'll show you how to use this one single button and shift between all the 4 options. Once you receive your Grenaro microphone, there is a box and most of the people will missed out this user manual. You need to read this carefully, this user manual. They mentioned everything clearly how to use that microphone. Okay, I'm gonna open that and I'll show you. So once you open this one, there is a receiver, transmitters, 2 transmitters. Okay, for this one we need to connect this one to first we need to connect to the mobile, any of the mobile phone. For this test I'm using iPhone 5s. So for that one, in this box I got this cable also, a lightning cable to type C. So I'm gonna connect this one. Make sure this logos is upwards. There is a light that indicates this is turned on, and is that paired with this transmitters or not. It will show that. I'm gonna show you that one. Okay, once I connected that one, let's unlock my phone. First you need to connect to your phone. If you're using any of the another Android phones, you need to turn on the OTG cable option in your Android phones. This is connected and you can see there is a light is blinking. That means there is no transmitter is paired. Okay, let's turn on. Long press, it will turn on. If you long press again, it will turn off. There is a power on and off button. You can see there is options. If you have 40 to 100% battery level, it will show green color. If the less than 40 to 20% range, that will turn into yellow color, this light. If the battery level is below 10%, then this color will turn into red color. So that is about the battery. You can see there is one more logo, small logo. You can see there is a equalizer kind of logo. So link symbol, if the link symbol is doesn't blink or anything, see here, if the both is paired, the both lights will doesn't blink. So suppose if I turn off this one, see, it will start blinking. That means there is no transmitter is connected. Once I turn on this one, instantly it's paired and there is no light is blinking. Okay, if I remove this one, see, the transmitter is blinking. That means this transmitter is not paired with any receiver. Okay, if you're clear that one, let me know in the comment section. If you have any doubts, I'm gonna clear that one. See, now I connected that one, the blinking will gone and the light will stay longer, it won't blink. That means this is paired. Okay, up to here I think you guys are clear. Now I'm gonna show you this button. There is only one button. That button works as a 4 multiple options. Okay, this one is here, that link symbol. You need to observe this one. Once I click that one, see, there is a 1 blink. That means level 1 noise cancellation is turned on. If I click one more time, there is a 2 blinks. It blinks twice. That means level 2 noise cancellation is turned on. If I click one more time, can you see that one? 3 times. The blinks 3 times. That means level 3 noise cancellation is turned on. Now the level 3 noise cancellation is active. If I press again, it will come back to normal. Okay, clicked level 1 2 times, level 2 3 times, level 3 I clicked again, back to normal. Now how to turn on the reverb mode. So everyone will get confused pressing on this one, but you didn't get that reverb mode. For that one, okay, let me press again. Level 3 noise cancellation we are in, and I pressed is back to normal. You need to press this button 3 times at a time. If you click 1 2 3, see, there is a reverb mode is turned on. If you press 3 times again, 1 2 3, it will go off. Reverb mode is off. I think these 3 options you guys cleared. And there is one more symbol, mic symbol. That one, now there is nothing is showing. That means it's okay, the voice is receiving. If that turned on in green, that is muted. if this green light is turned on on that mic section, that means there is no audio receiving from this transmitter. Okay, for that one you need to double press on the power button. See, I double pressed, it's turned on, it's muted. Again I double pressed, it's unmuted. Now it will receive the audio. So these are the main options, everything in one single button. It operates everything. Okay, this option back in decades, we have the wired earphones, they have only one button. In that one single button, it's like forward, previous, pause, all that option we have. That one single button, twice, thrice, something like that. Same option they have installed for this one. Okay, and there is a Type-C port. Additionally, you can charge without this charging case. If you want to charge, you can charge this one. And same goes another transmitter, same options, there is no changes. Okay, again I'll show you one more time. If I press one time, level 1 noise cancellation, 2 times, level 2 noise cancellation. Again I press, there is no double press, something, only single press, it will automatically change. Now we are in third level, level 3 noise cancellation. If I press one more time, it's back to normal. Double click, it's muted. Double click, it's unmuted. If you press three times, there is a reverb mode is on. 3 times, reverb mode is up. Same goes for battery level. If the battery is full, it will show. If the battery is from 40 to 100%, the light will turn into green color. If the battery level goes 20 to 40%, the yellow, it will turn into yellow color. If the battery level is less than 10%, then it will turn to red color. That's obvious. It's red for everything. Always like a mobile phone. In mobile phone also we have that option. Same option goes here. So I think you guys are clear for everything. If you have any doubts, let me know in the comment section, and in the upcoming next videos I'm gonna show you how to connect this wireless microphone to your mobile phone and sing professional audio on small application. For singers who have this wireless microphone, they can connect this one and they can sing. I'm gonna show you that one, how to use that one. And don't miss the next videos. I'm gonna show you more tips and tricks.